Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Claude Code for free. And trust me, this is free. So once you complete this, let me know in the comment section if it worked successfully for you or not. So what you have to do, you have to visit this link. Okay, so I'll attach this link in the description of this video. So I'll copy this link and I'll open my browser and I'll go to this. Okay, once you go to this, it will ask you for login. Okay, and you have to log in from the GitHub account. Okay, and the GitHub account should be at least 7 to 8 months old. Okay, so once you log in through GitHub account, you will be redirected to this page. Now you have to go to this API token and then you have to click on this create token. You can give any name here and then scroll down and then just turn this on unlimited quota and then click on this submit. Once you do that, you will see something like this. Okay, like the name I have given is test. Okay, so here you will get the API key. This is important. Okay, so after this step, next is you need to have the Claude Code installed. You have to download it. So you have to visit this first website and then you can download for Windows. Okay. So after it's downloaded and installed, then you have to open it. Once you open it, then you have to click on these three. Then you have to go to help and then go to troubleshooting. And then here you need to enable developer mode. Once you'll click on it, then it will restart for you. Okay, Claude Code will restart. Then you need to click on that again and now you will see this developer option and then you will have to click on this configure third party inference. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Here what you have to do, you have to firstly select the static API key from this. Okay, then you have to enter this URL https://agentrouter.org/ okay, then you have to enter the gateway API key and this is that same API that we have generated here. So you have to copy this from here and then just paste here. So I have already pasted here and then from this you have to select the bearer. Okay, once you do that, then you have to click on this test connection. Okay, once you click on this test connection, you will see something here. Yeah, you will see something like this. And then once this is done, you have to click on apply changes. Okay, my changes are already applied, but you can click on apply changes. Once you'll click on apply changes, your Claude will restart. Okay, once it will restart, you will see something like this. Okay, once you'll go to Claude, you will see Claude Code, you will see something like this. Okay, and here you will see the two models that it supports, Claude Opus and Claude Opus 5. So whichever you want, you can use. Okay, and here you can just select whether you want to use high, extra, max or ultra code, right? So all these are free for you. Okay, and then you can simply test it. So you can import any of your project. So I have imported my project and I can just ask it to analyze this project. So as you can see that Claude Code has analyzed my project completely. Okay, now if you go back and here you will see your current balance, your consumption, your statistics, everything. right? Now, if you want to increase your current balance, you have to go to wallet, and here you will see your current balance, your consumption. So if you will register, you will automatically get $150. Okay. And if you will register through my link, then I'll get $50. So every time if you'll share your link with your friends, you'll get $50, and your balance will keep on increasing. So this is the way you can increase your balance, and you can enjoy using this Claude Code for free. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching.